Hello friends, I am Pawan. I welcome you in my YouTube channel, and today I am going to install the window in my new garage which I am building up. So let's start. I have already cut this and then I have to cut a little bit more. So let me get my tools which I am going to use. So when we install this paper, we install as a full piece, and after that for window opening we cut this paper because we don't want to put unnecessary joints. This paper is for air barrier and water sealing, and this is very good quality paper. So this is we call home wrap. So normally people take this paper out, cut it from here, but I am not cutting it from here. I am just wrapping it on the board. Same way I am going to do this side. Staples. Stapler, so these type of staples we loaded. We just loaded the staples and now it is fit. So first thing what we do, there are chances that the water may come on this top sill. So what we do normally is we need to seal this properly. So for that the recommended this protect wrap is, which is like rubber kind of. So normally what I do is it should cover that whole stud, and right now this is winter so it may not just stick, but summertime when it gets heat up it just gets a stick. I can stretch it and I can put it, but I put the cut here so that just stick nicely. It needs to be pressed multiple times. I don't have the jack rollers, otherwise I would have used that. But once you press multiple times, it should get. Corners are very much sealed, but it's still just I'm just sealing it by this tape. I needs to take my gloves out. Here's the tape after the Windows installation, so we cut like this on this side, the same way from this side, so that any water comes that does not penetrate inside. So for time being, we will stick that paper. So I'm going to apply this sealer. So normally we cut this opening based on the window size, and we try to keep like 1/2 inch opening from both sides, additional opening, so that you can insert windows without any issue. It has the flange, so flange goes on, rests on this plywood, and that way then you can screw it or nail it. So I'm going to apply here the silicone so that window gets sealed properly. We need to put just on edge so that it gets sealed. Same way we need to do it on this side. But we don't apply any silicone at the bottom, because if any water comes, so it can slide down. It should not get stuck anywhere. So that is the whole idea. And now my window is ready for insert. But before we insert, okay. So now the time is to get the window. So preparation is done. Now we need to insert the window, screw it, and then normally we install the roofing nails, but roofing nails we have here like the jack channel, J channel for sliding, so it has very narrow space to insert the nails. So that's why I got these type of screws, which are very much flat from the top, so that once I tighten the screws, and after that I can easily apply the tape on it to seal it. And these are the JRK screws and self-drive, so these are very good to install it on for the windows. We'll go like this. Okay. Just hold tight. Holding. So to install the window, we normally need the two persons, so that one person can hold. This side is good. This side is good. So window is balanced. put the screws as per these markings, because that's how the manufacturers recommend to put the screws. Some recommends like you need to put on the alternate. Just let's stick to it. Let me complete all. Before properly sealing the window, we need to verify it whether it's working or not. So I just tested, it is working smoothly without any issue. So window is very much balanced and plumb. So very nice. From the top, so that any water penetrates, that will go in this J channel, and it's very less likely that water can come inside, because we have a lot of protection.